Hello everyone, welcome back to Tidy YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Translate function directly inside Google Sheets. It's a super handy trick, especially if you're dealing with multilingual data. Plus, stick around for a hidden feature that's going to make language detection even easier. So let's get started. The function that we will use to translate the text in Google Translate is the equal sign Google Translate, open the bracket, the text, and then comma, then the source language, comma, and then the target language. It's that simple. I will show you how. First, let's translate the text directly in the function. Type equal sign and then type Google Translate like this and open the bracket, and then let's just open a double quotation mark. Let's type hi, my name is Yufa. Okay, close the double quotation mark, comma. The source language is English, so let's type en in the double quotation marks again, close the double quotation mark, comma, and then let's translate it into Italy by typing the IT code like this. And let's close the bracket. Wait, and congratulations, if you translate the hi, my name is Yufa in Italy, it will be ciao, mi chiamo Yufa, something like that. You can also use cell reference in Google Translate function. Equal sign and use Google Translate like this. Open the bracket, click the cell reference, comma, and then type the source language en here because we use English, comma, and then IT. Let's translate it into Italy language. Close the double quotation marks and then the bracket and type enter. You can also drag this function into the whole column. Let's use this again and translate the text in German language, equal sign, and then Google Translate, open the bracket, English, comma, en, like this, comma, and then DE for Dutch, okay, close the bracket. Great. Google Sheets also provide the function so it can automatically detect in case you don't know what kind of language that the text use. Let's translate this text into English, equal sign, and then Google Translate like this, and then select the cell reference here, comma, and then just type auto in the double quotation mark like this, and then comma, and then let's use English as the target language. Okay, close the double quotation mark, close the bracket, and then type enter. Okay, congratulations, works well. And then let's prove it once again. Google Translate, open the bracket, and then click the cell reference, comma, and then type auto, close the double quotation mark, comma, and for the target language is English. You can also change the target language according to your needs. Great, it's very easy and it's very helpful. In case you don't know the country codes that you will use as the target language or the language source, Google's already provided in the developers.google.com/hotel and so on. I'll provide the link in the description, and you can copy this code into your function. There are so many countries here. That's it. Hope this video will be useful. See you in the next video.